chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some ground beef right here, 80% lean, 20% fat, some potatoes, red onion. We're about to make some delicious cheesy smashed burgers. Okay, so we have our ground beef right here. We'll go ahead and season it with a rub steak, buttery rub. Mix it in real good. A little chili powder. And that's it for the seasoning. Go ahead and mix this in. We're gonna make our little burgers. Got this little cooking utensil I just got from Temu. This summer I'm gonna be doing a lot of barbecuing. So if you're into the barbecuing and just starting, go ahead and rock with that Temu. One thing I forgot to get is some parchment paper. Okay, so I got to have some parchment paper. So we're just gonna smash these burgers just like this here. Try to even them out. Just give them a nice smash, then we'll start cooking. Okay, so I went on ahead and just did it off camera with the parchment paper. I smashed it up real good. That's how we looking. Okay, so here go our little burgers. Add a little Italian seasoning to it. And then go ahead and flip them in the pan. sure. Okay, so that's how we're looking right there. You don't have to put no oil at all. You don't have to add no oil. Alright, now I'm gonna add our mushrooms. A little more Italian seasoning. Like buttery. And there we go right there, letting that saute. Okay, so go ahead and put our onions, mushrooms on here. Just like that there. Put our American cheese. We'll do the same thing to this side. Okay, so here we go right here. We have that nice, delicious smashed bread with that American cheese, Chick-fil-A, pickles, orange cabbage, and a little bit of lettuce, and onion, mushrooms. So your boy did his thing right here in this good kitchen, made it happen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.